Most adults think they lost explosiveness because their muscles got weaker, but that's not actually true. You didn't lose strength, you lost elasticity. That spring system is what makes athletes explosive at any age. And the best part, you can actually train that back. This is episode 3, how to rebuild the spring system you thought you lost. Because explosive power isn't about muscles, it's about tendons. When your tendons lose stiffness, you lose your bounce. When they regain stiffness, your explosiveness comes back fast. All right, so what is elasticity? Elasticity is the ability of your body to store and release energy quickly, not slowly, quickly. Kids tend to bounce, while adults tend to absorb. But the good news is you can retain tendon stiffness at any age. Now let's quickly dive into why you may have lost your bounce. Here's why elasticity disappears. Tendons stop being trained at high speed. Ankles stiffen, jumps turn into squats, and your body learns to produce force slower. We do it to ourselves, it's just kind of how we train. Now let's jump into our drills. The first being our tendon isometric. This is the foundation. We start with tendon strength, not movement. Set yourself up a few feet from the wall, lean forward, single leg. We're gonna go up and drive hard into the wall. This is the tendon's equivalent to a heavy lift. And the stiffer the tendon, the more energy it can store. Next, we'll go into drill number 2, some toe pops for some reactive prep. Toe pops are all about quick ankle stiffening. Feet barely leave the ground, and we're going for speed. These teach your ankles to snap again like a rubber band, not like a pillow. Drill number 3 is gonna be some line hops. We're looking for some elastic speed. These build rhythm, speed, and ground reaction quickness. Small, fast, elastic, not big. Drill number 4 is our low, medium, and high pogo jumps. This is the drill where everything starts to come together. Ankle, tendon, rhythm, reaction. If you're feeling a little clunky, that is perfect. That just means we're rebuilding the system. Here's what the system looks like before you train it. And this is what it looks like after prepping that tendon in only 2 minutes. Now that we've got that system turned back on, next episode, we go bigger. Episode 4 is plyometric progressions, the safe way to be training your explosiveness as an adult. If this was useful, helped your balance a little bit, please hit a like, help send this video to more people, and then drop in the comments which drill felt the best, which drill felt the worst. Never settle with yesterday. Can't wait to see you in the next one.